Today guys, we're fixing our whole life in Vietnam. We've been traveling for 4 months. I can't remember the last time I had a dental checkup, the last time I bought a pair of clothing, nor the last time I got a massage or a haircut. Well, that's a lie. I got a haircut about 2 weeks ago. But other than that, we are gonna go get our teeth cleaned. We're gonna go for a massage, a haircut, and buy a whole new wardrobe. And it's gonna be insanely cheap. We're in one of the cheapest capitals in the world, which is Hanoi. So yeah, we're going to take you along today and show you how much it cost. We've already been warned by a local to keep our bags nice and close, tight to us. So that's put us a little bit on edge. Felt fairly safe yesterday. Didn't feel like that was ever going to be a problem, but I think now we'll have our bags a lot closer, a lot tighter to us. There's a lot of motorbikes that whip past, grab your bags, grab your valuables, which, you know, it does happen in cities. It's just like London, I suppose. I believe this is it. Hi. Xin chào. Hi. Hello. Oh, slipper, yes. Oh, is there any appointments at all?
Okay, so which service do you want to do?
Just to clean for my teeth. Check up, yeah.
For
yeah.
one person?
One person, yeah, one person. Lovely. So a little seat.
So please do your commission here first.
Oh yes. Yeah, the checkup.
The checkup is free and the cleaning will be the scaling and polishing is over $20 for you.
So guys, the checkup is free and then the scaling, the cleaning of the teeth is $20. So probably roughly about 15 quid. I'll put the conversion rate on here. But yeah, much cheaper than the UK. What is your name?
I'm Mia.
Mia? Yes. Oh, that's my girlfriend's name also. Mia.
Oh really? She's also in Mia?
Yeah, also Mia.
Okay. So we start doing the treatment room.
Yeah. I'll turn it off. Yeah, sure. Okay guys, so look at the difference. This was the start and then this is after. Literally night and day difference. Looks unbelievable. Come on, thank you. Bye-bye. Yeah, unfortunately guys, I couldn't film a lot, but obviously that's pretty evident. I am in a dentist and I've got to respect people's privacy. But yeah, I think the appointment lasts about 14 minutes or so. It came to just under 15 quid. Really see why health tourism here is booming. A lot of people coming over here, not really for a checkup or a clean, but more for more expensive appointments. People might come here for root canals, slightly more expensive procedures, surgeries. You're seeing a lot more common in these less developed countries where the healthcare is pretty good, the standards are pretty good. So people are coming over here, obviously, considering in England it's a lot more expensive. The wait times are just unbelievable as well. So here I literally came in, had no appointment whatsoever, just walked straight in and was seen straight away. So it's pretty unbelievable. Guys, next on the agenda, our day of self-care. We're gonna go get a haircut. What are you doing, mate? We're gonna go get a haircut. So we're getting the Grab, pick us up, and gonna take us there, 40 minutes back into the centre. Gonna go sort out this absolute mop. Let's go. Hi. Ladies first. Hello. Hi. Xin chào.
Xin chào.
Hello. How are you?
No.
Oh no. No worries. Bye. Tell me it. Hi. Oh, it's starting to rain. Hello. Hi. Okay to film? Yeah. Okay, perfect. Hello, how are we? That's fine.
Thank you.
She's gonna cool down first.
Thank you.
Come on. Thank you.
You can see. You can see.
Pardon?
I'm gonna go for coffee first.
Thank you.
That was too hot in there.
Yeah, that was far too hot in there. Gonna find somewhere else. Thought they weren't gonna let us leave for a second. But yeah, find somewhere with AC, because that is needed right now.
Oh.
So we found somewhere to get a haircut. Currently here upstairs.
Waiting for our hair wash.
Waiting to get a hair wash. It's nice to get it washed when you've been travelling Asia for 4 months. Your hair starts to get a little bit thin. We have got a shower filter, but you know, after a little while it does get a bit crispy thin. Oh, that's nice. What is your name? What's your name?
My name is
Kui?
Kui.
Kui. I'm Rory. Nice to meet you. Relaxing. This is a lovely little scrub. Scrub with the head and a wash. Unreal.
Vâng là con báo. Nó phải đụng cái là nó
Mia's enjoying herself.
giống nhau hết.
Good service so far.
Nói chuyện
Right, I've just finished washing my hair. Had a nice little massage as well for the last 15 minutes. Mia's still getting hers done. Don't know why she's getting special treatment, but that's okay. I'm now gonna go get my hair cut. So, what is your name? Long. Oh, nice to meet you. I'm Rory. Rory, yeah. Yeah, please, yeah, like texture as well. Thank you. Busy in there? Yeah. Lots of people, yeah. Is it like that every day?
Too many tourists there.
Many tourists, yeah.
Keep this here, okay?
Maybe a little bit. Yeah, if okay. I was an electrician. Yeah. Yeah, I've had many air coffees. I like that very much. Oh, we eat now?
Yeah.
Oh wow. I've got lychee, guys.
Yeah.
Sorry, let's just have one.
Yeah.
Looks nice. Hanoi is a safe city to live in. Safe, looks good. Yeah. What's your favourite food? Your favourite food? You like pho? Pho.
Bún chả.
Oh, bún chả. Yeah, bún chả so good.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. This is a little recommendation
Yes. I think it's
by Lamb. Gotta go to that.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. That's very good. Cheers. Thank you, Lamb. End result. He's done a good job. Right, well that was a very pleasant experience. Mine came to about £13 in the end, which is a bit more expensive than what we've had when we were in Saigon, but I think it is just the prices in Hanoi are slightly more. But yeah, he was a very nice man. He gave me a lot of food recommendations. I do love a local food recommendation. Mia's absolutely glowing. She got hers for about 14 quid. But yeah, we're in there for about an hour. Got a hair wash and a massage, and then a haircut for 13 quid. So it's not too bad at all. Now, have you truly been to Asia if you've not had a massage? So Vietnam is no exception to this. They do very good massages at very good prices. So we're gonna go get a foot massage. I think Mia's gonna go get her toes done, toenails?
Yes.
Get them old dogs out. She's gonna get them done, and I'm gonna get a lovely foot massage. All going on here, guys. They're setting up a market for tonight. Absolute chaos. Oh, sorry. I'm through. Oh, sorry. Bloody hell, we made it through. Certainly not hard to get lost in the city of Hanoi. We keep walking around and seeing the same sights we saw earlier. We're almost doing circles, but now we're going to go for a bún chả. So this is essentially what you get with your bún chả. You get these rolls here, some leaves, noodles, with some pork in there. Essentially get it all, dunk it in one big thing, and then eat it. I think that's how it's done anyway. It's man-v food right now. I'm seriously struggling. Still got a whole garden to go through there with all them leaves, and then all of this. Mia's full as well. Beautiful.
Yeah, I finished ages ago.
She's done in. But that's the thing about Vietnam, you always get a good portion. I'm yet to go hungry. So we have rocked up to a little nail place, getting a nice little foot massage. Got my foot dunked in a bowl of tea. Got a tea bag in there. Don't know why. Oh, a nice little foot massage, really relaxing. Finish off the day. What's your name?
Chang.
Chang.
Yeah.
Chang. Oh, nice to meet you. I'm Rory.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. And do you live in Hanoi?
Yeah.
Oh. Hanoi, good? Like Hanoi? Yeah. Come here. Cheers. Thank you. Bye bye. We've just stepped out into a very, very wet Hanoi. Absolutely chucking it down out here. But yeah, just had our nails. Well, nails? I didn't have my nails. I had my foot massage. Mia had her nails. I think we're now going to make our way back to the hotel, call it a day there. We've had our teeth cleaned, we've had a haircut, and then I've had a foot massage, all in one day. We've absolutely done it all today. We ventured into the world of health tourism, then got a haircut, and then a massage. Right, we have acquired an ice cream, an Oreo to be specific. But yeah, reflecting on the massage, she was firm, but not too firm to the point where it like hurts, so it was nice. It was a nice massage. Oh, the streets are still busy in Hanoi. Doesn't seem to ever stop. It's just constant chaos, but we love it. We're all here for it, and yeah, I'm enjoying Hanoi so far. Can't wait to explore a bit more. Also, we were going to go shopping, but the city's just far too big. We ran out of time, so we're going to be on the agenda tomorrow. We'll take you shopping, explore what Hanoi's got to offer, all the counterfeits, very good quality, but yeah, we'll have a little look tomorrow.